Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 636 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Longwear Brow Kit to try out. And I'm really looking forward to this because it's been a while since I've tried out brow products on my channel. And I know it's been a while because I'm actually running out of my current brow products. So I'm like, oh, I need to just buy more brow products in general. And so I picked this up from Ulta. I also picked up another exciting brow product from NYX as well. But so this one here I got in the shade Taupe. And this sounds neat. It's different than the brow products that I usually use, which are just pencils. But this is a 3-in-1 comb, filler, and blender. And I was a little bit surprised by the price on this for NYX. So this retails for $11. I mean, NYX does so many discounts and sales that you can definitely get this for less than $11. But for NYX, I felt like that was a little bit higher of a price point. Hopefully it's worth the $11. And it does come in 12 different shades though, which for brow products, that's a decent amount of shades. I know in the past I've tried out the blonde shade from NYX and it was way too orange for me. So I'm hoping this taupe shade is going to be the right match for me. I'm so interested to see what this actually looks like. Ooh, it's big. Okay. Oh wow, one of the bristles on the comb is already bent. Weird. Okay, no, I was easily able to bend it back. What do I do with this? At least there are instructions on the back. Okay, step 1, comb through the brows. Okay, with the small bristles, like the comb side, I'll start out by brushing that through. Like, look at my brows. They're so messy and unruly. Oh. This comb is almost like, the bristles are almost too short to reach my brows. I guess it's working, but it's not, I feel like, fully combing through them because the comb is so short. Let me show you what I mean. You see how the comb bristles are really short, and then on the ends, those thicker pieces are almost longer. It's like that gets in the way, so I can't actually reach the comb part to my brows. So that's kind of like a weird design, but I guess I was able to get the brows a little bit more tame. Next, fill them in. Okay, so what is this actually in here? Oh, it's liquidy. Okay, I kind of thought this was going to be like a powder. Let me just go ahead and swatch that color. Ooh. Okay, and so it has this very pointy applicator, but the applicator is completely hard. Like, there's no give, it doesn't brush. So that's actually difficult to work with. I think this should be a good shade though, at least there's that. I'm very surprised by this applicator. Okay, I'm a little nervous about how difficult this is going to be. I don't want to just glob it all over, you know? I guess I'm gonna go for it. Like it says, you can create little hair-like strokes. No. All I can do is just glob it on. Yeah. If it were like a brush, maybe, but there's, oh no. This is not what I expected. And this is supposed to be waterproof, not come off until you remove it, which I love that. I'm going to a football game in the rain today, so I want my eyebrows to stay in place, but okay, seriously, how am I supposed to work with this? And then it says to blend it with the brush side. This looks so crazy. Look at how much darker my brows are. But the thing is, it looks so unnatural. It looks like there's just brown paint through my brows because that's exactly what there is. Wow. Okay, so I guess like that's what you're supposed to do. But this is actually unwearable. Like from so far away, okay, no, even from so far away, it still looks crazy. It just looks too, you know, unnatural, just like a thick, solid eyebrow, somewhat eyebrow shape. Okay, no. Maybe if it was more of like a powder formula, it would be easier to use. But okay, I'm gonna show you a zoomed in view so that you can see really how crazy this brow is. So I'm not even going to bother applying this to the other eyebrow because this is just not a product that's going to work for me. I want my brows to look natural, and this is not it. If you've tried this product, I would love to know your thoughts on it, but personally, this is one of my biggest fails of a product that I've had in a little while, so that's a little bit exciting for me. I don't usually have such failures of products, but oh, I'm so bummed because like I was saying, I need a good brow product. So I guess I'm still on the search because the other brow product I picked up is a gel. It's a clear gel, so that's not going to fill in my brows. But if you have any recommendations of great, you know, brow pencils or just brow filling products that I should pick up, let me know your recommendations in the comments down below because wow, the search continues. I'm probably gonna try and return this because this is a waste of $11 for me. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.